In this video, we're looking at writing an equation to describe a word problem or a context. It says that Marcel takes a summer job at a book packaging plant. He gets paid $50 a day plus $2 for every box packed. We want to write an equation that relates the number of boxes packed to Marcel's pay for 1 day. So we're only looking at 1 day's pay. So looking at what's happening in this situation, we have two things that we're talking about. We're talking about how much Marcel gets paid and how many boxes he packs. And so that's why we define our two variables as P is going to represent his pay for the day and B is going to represent the number of boxes packed. Looking back at the situation, we know he gets paid $50 a day. So since we're only talking about 1 day, that $50 won't change. So he's definitely going to get $50 regardless of how many boxes he packed. And then $2 for every box. So if it's $2 for every box and the boxes are what's changing, that means we're going to have to find the total amount paid, we'd go $2 times however many boxes he packs. So if we want to write that in equation form, we're going to say that the total pay is equal to 2 times the number of boxes he packs plus $50. So again, the $50 doesn't change, that's why it's not by a variable. The $2 is for every box, so that's why it goes with the B. So that would be an equation that represents the situation. The next part of the question asks, if Marcel packs 20 boxes in 1 day, how much will he get paid? So we're going to use our equation. And they've told us the number of boxes. So B is the letter that represents the number of boxes. So we're going to put 20 in for the B. So the pay is going to equal 2 times 20 plus 50. So 2 times 20 is 40 plus 50. So Marcel gets paid $90.